Carter Jennings here on my first video. Yay for Carter! Yay for Carter! So, we are gonna discuss about my Dodge Ram monster truck. So, you see that it's quite broken because I've been doing flips and stuff with it. So, we are gonna see monster truck videos. So if you want to see more, subscribe on one video and I will make more. So please subscribe. So this monster truck, it's not that the thing, but it also has the window that can go up and down and it can come off. And here's my window that can come off. I know it's quite big. If you're shocked, it's okay. It's not broken. It comes right back on. So this monster truck has full air wheels. It has a back like a pickup, a front like a pickup, and you can. And it has a big suspension. And it has a steering wheel where you can put little people in a seat. And then in the inside, it has a speed limit thing. I have to clean. And
what's this?
This is the engine.
Ooh.
The engine is not in the front because I don't see any engine. So
you're gonna show the people what it can do?
Well, I don't really want to do it here because all the pieces are gonna fall off.
Well, why don't you just show them?
I can't show them in the dirt.
Okay, let's go. Show them what? I'm following you. Does it go full throttle?
Quite, I think.
Okay, so show them what it can do.
Okay. I'm gonna do a 3D flip with this monster truck. Whoa. So, we are starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, yo. Let's go, yo. Go, yo. Go, yo. Oh, ding, ding. As you can see, the window fell off, but no biggie. I can put it right back on. So, do you guys want to see some more?
Yeah, I think they do.
Okay. Well, if you want to see more, I got something for you. Have you guys ever put a water bottle open in a monster truck?
What's gonna happen? Ooh, let's find out.
Well, it is electric.
Oh man, we shouldn't put electrical things on there. But I wonder if we get the monster truck to do a flip over something. I wonder what we could get it to flip over.
I'm just gonna wash my monster truck because it's very dirty when it just flipped. So the engine is gonna go full throttle.
Whoa.
And
I think that people want to see what this monster truck can really do.
it can crush some cars, but I would. Have you guys ever put a tiny car in a monster truck and then go up 1, 2, 3 of these?
I don't think so.
So, if you say it, we are going to do it. So if you guys want to come, here is... So we're going to make the car move. What? We're going to make the car move. little monster truck. As you can see, the window's a little dented, but we can still use it. If you like it, and subscribe. Please click the bell button and give a lot of likes to me. No. No.